It's a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. It's fun to drive with plenty of room, plenty of style, and plenty of features designed to make your life easier, all wrapped in a stylish package. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and heated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Since 1925, Chrysler has done more than just make vehicles. It has made history. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.